If the governor feels that he might not be able to respond adequately,
Yes.
he can pass it on to the chief officer to fast track the process.
That's what I'm trying to.
Yeah, but you are holding a meeting within a meeting, which is not.
Okay, who has the answers? Because remember, this is money collected from the residents of Busia. And if the money collected from residents of Busia cannot be accounted for, then we are not sure about the money that comes from the consolidated fund.
Chair, and the governor should be aware that he's on oath. So if the governor is not ready, he can also tell us so that we take a view. Because if he's holding a meeting within a meeting, or if he thinks that the answers are with the chief officer, and then chief officer should take the oath. Or we interrogate any problem or through the oath of the governor.
Okay, members, since today we are sitting in Busia, we can extend a little bit of clemency to the governor of Busia. But that does not absolve you. You must explain to us why there is a drop.
I'm going to do that once I get, maybe just give me a little bit of time. As we move to another matter, then we can revisit.
Okay, the second matter, honorable members, the second matter, go to the line on parking fees. Governor, note 5. Your parking fees have reduced from 31 million to 29 million. You have given us your global picture, the measures you are taking. How then are we seeing a drop in parking fees? Remember, this is money collected from the people of Busia. Are we collecting and pocketing money? Because these are the symptoms.
Chair.
Senator Wambua?
Chair, you have said that we should extend a bit of our clemency to the governor, which is fine. We'll be guided by your direction. My only fear, Chair, is that from the kind of consultation that I'm seeing happening there is a likelihood that the governor is perhaps seeing these figures for the first time. Because the questions that they're asking themselves and the questions that we're asking, we are all asking the same questions. We're asking them what happened, and the governor is asking his people what happened. So, Chair, that clemency is fine, but please give us guidance on how to deal with it.
Okay, clemency does not mean shielding the governor. He still has to answer. Governor, you have an answer to...
Chair, let me ask my former CEC Finance to answer because she was there when this was happening.